How to connect Canva into Claude and how to use that. Want to supercharge your designs with AI? Here's how to connect Canva with Claude and use it effectively. So first and foremost, go ahead and open Claude.ai and then go ahead and click on the sidebar. So from here, go ahead and select your account icon at the bottom left and then select settings, and that will take you to settings. Here on the settings page, head over to connectors and then go ahead and click on browse connectors and then go ahead and search for Canva in here. On the results, you should find Canva, so click on it and then click on connect. Now, once you have connected it, sign in with your Canva account and grant Claude permission to access your workspace. Type a prompt in Claude like create a 5-slide pitch deck. Claude generates a draft directly in Canva. Open the draft in Canva, use drag and drop editing templates and your brand kit to polish the design. Export your design as a PDF, image, or presentation. You can also share it directly with clients or collaborators. Connecting Canva with Claude saves time and boosts creativity. Whether you're making social posts or business decks, it's a seamless workflow.